Here is the question. If the array has n items, how many total steps does this function take? We go level by level, write down the count at each level, then multiply everything together at the end. First, find the work unit. When start equals arr.length, every slot is filled, print and return. O of 1. The big question is, how many times is this leaf reached? Level 0, the very first call. Start equals 0, the for loop runs n iterations. Each calls permute with start plus 1. So level 0 makes exactly n recursive calls. Level 1, each of those n calls has start equals 1. The loop now runs n minus 1 iterations each. Total calls at level 1 n times n minus 1. Level 2, multiply by n minus 2. Level 3 times n minus 3. This keeps going until the loop runs exactly once. Multiply all levels n factorial. N factorial leaves each doing O of 1 work. Final complexity O of n factorial. For n equals 12, that's nearly 500 million calls. Always ask, is there a smarter algorithm